Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 3 of my favorite healthy weight loss smoothie recipes. All of these recipes are completely dairy-free, sugar-free, and also gluten-free, so they're really healthy, and they all contain good protein, healthy fats, and also good carbs, so they're all balanced breakfast smoothies. I've lost 40 pounds, and when I was trying to lose weight, these were 3 of my favorite breakfast smoothies to make, and they really helped me to lose weight and get into better shape. Let's get started. The first smoothie we're going to make is a healthy blueberry smoothie. This is one of my favorite smoothie recipes ever. It's so simple and refreshing, but it's still filling, and I'm just obsessed with it. To make this smoothie, we'll need 1 banana, 1/3 of an avocado, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, half a cup of water, a pinch of cinnamon, a pinch of ground vanilla powder, 1 flat tablespoon of unsweetened almond butter, a few ice cubes. Start by adding the banana to the blender. This is a great source of healthy carbs and will also help to make the smoothie sweet and creamy. Then add 1/3 of an avocado. You can't taste it in the smoothie, but this adds healthy fats, which will help to keep you fuller for longer, and it also makes the smoothie really creamy and delicious. Next, add the main ingredient, the blueberries. Because it's a blueberry smoothie, I'm going to use 1 cup of frozen blueberries. You can also use mixed berries if you want to instead. Now add about 1/2 a cup of water so that you can blend the smoothie up. Add a pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of ground vanilla powder. These are optional, but they add flavor and are also full of antioxidants. Then add 1 flat tablespoon of unsweetened almond butter that you've already measured out. This adds healthy protein to the smoothie and also adds to the creaminess. Finally, add a few ice cubes to make it chilled, and then just blend it up. And now it's ready to drink, and it's gone such a pretty pinky purple color. It's so creamy and filling, but still refreshing, and that's why I love this blueberry smoothie so much.